Esther chapter 2. After a while, when King Xerxes never begs no more, a member what Vashti did do, and the law what him did make, sake her. Then the king counselor them said to him, say, make your official them go find some young pretty virgin for the king, and make the king set up some official in every part-time kingdom for find all of the young pretty virgin them and bring them come at the house for the king woman them in the army base of Susa. A guy, the king eunuch, will look after them, cause him take care of the woman them and make the virgin them get perfume, oil and lotion. Then the young woman will catch the king eye, will take over from Vashti. The king like what him hear, and him do what them say. Now, one Jew named Mordecai did live in the army base of Susa. Him father did name Jair, who for father did name Shemai, and for him father did Kish from the tribe of Benjamin. For him family did in the bunch of people when Nebuchadnezzar, king of Babylon, did capture and take away from Jerusalem when him carry Jeconiah, the king of Judah. Mordecai did grow him cousin Adasa, cause she lose her father and her mother. Adasa, what then did call Esther too, did well pretty and shape good subtle. And when her mother and father dead, Mordecai take her and grow her like him own daughter. So then, when them broadcast the king orders, them gather up enough young woman come full up in the army base of Susa for a guy look after them. Cause him did take care of the king woman them. Now Esther did one of the woman them where them carry in the palace for a guy look after. When him see Esther, him spirit just take her and him woulda do anything for her. Him never itch for give her some special food and the perfume oil and lotion where she forget. And him pick out 7 servant women from the king palace for take care of Esther. And move her and her servant woman them go at the best part of the house where the king woman them live. Esther never make nobody know say she a one Jew, cause Mordecai did tell her fi not tell nobody. And every day Mordecai walk up and down in front of the yard with the king woman them house there, cause him want find out what go on with Esther and if she alright. When the time come for any young woman go in a King Xerxes quarters, them woulda have to done 12 months under the orders for the king woman them, cause that are the regular time the woman them take for titivate. 6 months with myrrh oil and 6 months with perfume oil and special lotion. After all of that, when the young woman did go in the king quarters, she woulda get to carry all the way she want from out of the house where the king woman them live. The young woman woulda go there in the evening, and in the morning she woulda go at the second house for the king woman them. Where Shazgaz, one next eunuch will look after the king common law wife them, woulda take care of her. She wouldn't get to go back at the king again unless him like her, remember her name and send for her. Now you see Esther, she did Abiel's daughter. Him did Mordecai uncle, but Mordecai grew her as him own daughter. When fear time come to go in the king quarters, she never asked for nothing more than what a guy did say. A guy the king eunuch will take care of the king woman them. So now, everybody will see Esther just check for her. In the 10th month when named Tibet, them carry Esther go to King Xerxes' palace. By that time, King Xerxes did a rule for about 7 years. And the king love off Esther. Him love her more than all of the other woman them. Him spirit take her and him would do anything for her more than for the other virgin them. So, him put the crown upon her head and make she turn queen instead of Vashti. Then, the king keep one big meals for Esther and him invite all of the top official them. Him give all of the people in all of the region them holiday and him give everybody enough things cause him a king and him have it figure way. When the virgin them did gather up together one next time, Mordecai did one of the official them we meet at the king gate. Esther never tell nobody say she a one Jew, as according to what Mordecai did tell her, cause Esther do what Mordecai say, same like when she did a grow with him. In a them time there, when Mordecai did one of the official them we meet at the king gate, two of the king eunuch were guard in front of the king quarters, Bigton and Teresh, did get vexed and plan up to kill King Xerxes. Mordecai find out about this and tell Queen Esther. Then Esther tell the king and make him know say a Mordecai tell her. And when them check it out and find out say it did go so for true, them hang the two man them. And all them thing you get right down in the record book where them keep for the kingdom.